Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. There are 5 registered leases along the area that is identified in the question by the Honourable Nand between the Savusavu Port foreshore area to Yaroi Bay. We have record of 5 leases that exist there. I'm not quite sure which lease he's attending to in his question that is in dispute. If you can clarify that for me, I'll be able to assist the House with an answer. If there's a specific question in relation to any of those leases, I'll be happy to assist.